Good afternoon. This is meteorologist Steve Lindenberg with the National Weather Service. Have an outlook for this afternoon through the weekend. Looking at hot and humid conditions continuing today, and then over the weekend, starting even Friday afternoon, we could see some storms moving into the area. Some of those might be strong to severe late Friday afternoon into Friday night. And then another system looks like it moves in late Saturday night into Sunday morning. With the potential of severe weather, there's also a potential of some localized flooding if storms can move over the same locations. For that forecast this afternoon, we're going to see near record high temperatures this afternoon with highs from the upper 80s all the way up to the mid 90s in portions of the eastern Ozarks. Combining with humidity, heat index values could range from the low 90s almost to around 100 degrees. Important safety reminder if you're working outside, this combination of heat and humidity can pose a risk to people working outside. Remember to take frequent water breaks in the shade or possibly even moving inside for a few minutes before heading back out to work. So we looking ahead into Friday afternoon and evening, we are going to see a chance of strong to severe storms developing as we get a frontal boundary moving closer toward the region. The main severe weather activity should be Friday afternoon into Friday night, and there is a potential of large hail to the size of quarters along with damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. And this slight risk here covers almost all of the Ozarks region into southeast Kansas. In addition to the strong to severe weather potential, there's with the recent significant flooding we had last week, the ground remains fairly saturated in a lot of the areas. So there's a widespread marginal risk for some flooding. Now, we're not going to see widespread heavy rain everywhere, but if storms can move over the same locations, it would pose a risk of some localized flooding. The second system should move in late Saturday night into Sunday morning with a chance of strong to severe storms, mainly west of an Osage Beach to Lebanon to Ava line, where that slight risk is. There's a marginal risk further east of that covering the remainder of the Ozarks. Again, large hail and damaging wind will be the main severe weather risks. With a lot of activities going on this weekend, the approach of the end of the school year with graduations, warmer weather, many outdoor activities are planned. For those camping this weekend or other outdoor activities, you should continue to monitor the latest weather forecast and watch for severe flood watches and warnings. If you notice storms approaching your area, be sure to move to a safe place inside a sturdy building. If you are camping near a stream, monitor for flood potential and warnings and move to higher ground if necessary. For additional resources, visit our website at weather.gov/Springfield.